to my channel. I'm Aryam and I'm gonna be playing with my niece's kitchen, so let's just get started.
My mommy.
Guys, so I'm gonna be making her some eggs. Is it Mommy? I'm gonna be making some pizza for her.
Hi. Now?
Room, I'm doing it! Oh God. Room, it's hot, be careful. Now that I think pizza is finished, I'm gonna be taking it out. And now I'm gonna. Rim, nummy time! Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Look. This.
You bite it?
This.
That's not a bite.
Bye.
Uh-oh.
Bye.
This.
No one pizza.
You don't want pizza, then what do you want?
Up there.
Bells?
Okay.
Okay! She's my best friend.